You know, we already got their attention. They liking everything on my IG. They liking all the posts I put. They liking all, they putting hearts on all the messages you guys send them. You know, so we have their attention, gang. Let's go ahead and push it on over the hill for the sponsorship.
Perfect.
Welcome to the Autolust YouTube channel. And if you're new here, I'm currently working on my one ECU tune away from 1200 horsepower BMW X6M, aka the world's most highly modified BMW SUV, aka soon to be the world's most powerful ever in the history of BMW SUV. Soon as we get this transmission problem fixed. So as you see, we here at Boosted Beamers, and Sasha is still under the car cover. She been under this car cover for maybe a week and a half, going on 2 weeks. Monday it'll be 2 weeks, 2 full weeks. And the reason she's under that car cover is because the transmission is having big problems. Big problems, Sam. Big problems. I took it to a place local here to get it built. Spent $6,000 to get the transmission built. It's under 1,000 miles on it and I'm already having problems, you know. But gang, if you watch this channel, if you like my content, please tag Pure Drivetrain Solutions. I'm gonna put their link and their website and their Instagram link down in the description, because those guys are, I'm sure they thinking about sponsoring the channel. You know, we've been, you know, sending all type of emails and DMs to them, the guys that follow my Instagram, you know, so that could get Sasha back on the road, you know. That could get her back on the road with one of their stage 1 or stage 2 transmissions. Tag them in a DM, you know, tag them in a Instagram post, Instagram story, or just DM them directly and let them know why they should sponsor the world's most powerful BMW SUV, and soon to be the world's fastest record holder for the quarter-mile BMW SUV as soon as she back. You know, that'd be greatly appreciated. But what I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and start her up. You know, she's been sitting here for a while. You don't want to let these type of computer controlled cars just sit there and let the oil and the gas and stuff just sit there. You at least want to, you know, every so often crank them up and bring them up to temperature. So let's get this car cover off her. I know she's super filthy and we finna get her started up. Straight up, nothing wrong with the engine. Filthy. My car haven't been this filthy since she came off the delivery truck when I had her delivered. And she was filthy, very filthy then. Yeah, look, intercooler starting to do its job already. Yeah, interchiller definitely doing its job already. So I'm glad we don't have no problems out the interchiller or the engine. Engine runs very smooth, very good. You can see those intercoolers starting to frost up already. They already cold to the touch. Almost immediately they cold to the touch. Yeah, so we just need this the transmission fixed, you know, and that's about it. So I mean, I can't stress it enough. You know, if you guys are watching this video, if you support the channel, you know, go down to one of the links for Pure Drivetrain Solutions. You know, I have their website link and their Instagram link down in the description. You know, tag those guys in the story, tag them in the post, DM them directly, you know, and let them know why they should sponsor this animal, this beast, the world's most highly modified BMW SUV. You know, soon to be the world's most powerful BMW SUV that ever's been. You know, never been one more powerful than this. I can guarantee you that. You know, fully built, everything fully built. Once that transmission is fixed, we back on the drag strip. You know, the Mickey Thompsons front and rear still in good condition. You know, I might take these off and go with a wider drag radial. You know, but yeah, we definitely, you know, she deserves to see the track. You know, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears went in this car. A lot of money too, you know, so she deserves to see the track. So yeah, if you guys could do that, that would be greatly appreciated. You know, like I say, both of those links are down in the description. This is just an update video to let you know what exactly is going on with Sasha right now, you know, and you know, the status of what's going on, because on the last video I showed you guys her coming off of the tow truck. I'll let you know what happened to her. That video is down in the description as well if you wanted to know what exactly happened to her, you know. And we trying to get her back on that track, gang. You know, 1200 horsepower. We trying to get the full 1200. We gonna get the full 1200 horse out of her. You know, I'm hoping for 900 to 950 all wheel. You know, and around 1150 to 12 at the crank. But yeah, she built for it. You know, capable of 0 below intake temps with the inner chiller and meth spraying together. You know, one of the most upgraded fuel systems on any BMW is on this car. You know, so I mean, she definitely capable of making the power, and great upgraded turbos. I mean, she don't have any slouchy turbos. You know, it was forged rods, you know, upgraded pistons. It's, you know, it's nothing that should stop this car from reaching the glory it's supposed to reach. So yeah, if you guys could do that, once again, the links down in the description. You know, we already got their attention. They liking everything on my IG. They liking all the posts I put. They liking all, they putting hearts on all the messages you guys send them. You know, so we have their attention, gang. Let's go ahead and push it on over the hill for the sponsorship. You know, let them know that they should sponsor the Auto Lust YouTube channel and that beastly X6M, aka Sasha. Like, share, and subscribe, and Auto Lust out.